Suhyun An, how chiropractic adjustments can help alleviate stress. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an omnipresent part of our daily lives. From demanding work schedules to personal responsibilities, many factors contribute to elevated stress levels. While conventional methods like exercise, meditation, and therapy are commonly recommended for stress relief, chiropractic care is an often overlooked yet highly effective approach. Renowned chiropractor Suhyun An sheds light on how chiropractic adjustments can significantly alleviate stress, improve overall well-being, and enhance quality of life. Understanding stress and its impact on the body. Stress triggers a cascade of physiological responses in the body, primarily through the activation of the autonomic nervous system. When stressed, the body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, preparing for a fight-or-flight response. Chronic stress can lead to numerous health issues, including high blood pressure, weakened immune function, and mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. The physical manifestations of stress often include muscle tension, headaches, and disrupted sleep patterns, creating a vicious cycle that further exacerbates stress. The role of the spine and nervous system. The spine plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's overall health and well-being. It houses the spinal cord, which is a central component of the nervous system. The nervous system controls and coordinates all bodily functions, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. When the spine is misaligned, it can disrupt these signals, leading to various health issues, including increased stress levels. Misalignments or subluxations can cause physical discomfort and impede the body's natural ability to manage and respond to stress effectively. How chiropractic adjustments work. Chiropractic adjustments involve the application of controlled, sudden force to specific joints in the spine. These adjustments aim to correct spinal misalignments, restore proper joint function, and improve nervous system communication. By realigning the spine, chiropractic care helps reduce nerve irritation and promotes optimal function of the nervous system. This, in turn, can alleviate many physical symptoms associated with stress, such as muscle tension, headaches, and fatigue, thereby creating a sense of relief and relaxation. Stress reduction through improved nervous system function. Suhyun An emphasizes that one of the most significant benefits of chiropractic adjustments is their ability to enhance nervous system function. A properly aligned spine ensures that the nervous system operates at its best, facilitating better communication between the brain and body. This improvement can lead to a more balanced autonomic nervous system, helping to regulate the body's response to stress. As a result, individuals often experience reduced levels of stress hormones, improved mood, and a heightened sense of well-being. Complementary benefits of chiropractic care. Beyond stress relief, chiropractic care offers a myriad of other health benefits that contribute to overall wellness. Regular chiropractic adjustments can improve posture, enhance mobility, and boost the immune system. Many patients report better sleep quality and increased energy levels following chiropractic treatments. Additionally, chiropractic care can be an integral part of a holistic health approach, complementing other stress relief practices such as exercise, mindfulness, and proper nutrition.